Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with another giveaway. So, if you don't know, it is Black Friday weekend. It's a big shopping weekend, and it's kind of the kickoff for Christmas projects, Christmas shopping, all that kind of good stuff. So, anyway, I wanted to celebrate by putting up a ton of crafting videos. I don't know if it's going to be a ton because who knows? But I'm going to try to do a ton of crafting videos this weekend and a ton of giveaways. So make sure that you comment on all of the giveaways for chances to win. I'm looking at having, I don't know, anywhere between 5 and 10 giveaways this weekend. So you can comment all the way till Friday or until I post the giveaway winners video. You can go ahead and keep you can post a comment if you miss it because you are out shopping or on vacation or whatever it is, you're busy at work and you don't get a chance to comment. You have all the way until Friday, so a whole week until I post. So I live in California, so Pacific Standard Time, chances are I probably won't be posting the winners videos until like 8-ish on Friday. And so for a lot of you guys will be going to bed, because we're kind of on the West Coast over here, so it's later. So you have a lot of time to post. But this is my Black Friday giveaway number 3. And I bought 2 of them. That's the reason why I'm giving this away. I bought 2 of them. So I'm going to give this one away. I don't know how I bought 2 of them. It's just bizarre to me, but I did. So to win, leave a comment on this post. You have to be a subscriber. You need to be 18 years of age or older to win, and you need to have a U.S. address. Let's see. 2 comments. Let me know what the last movie you saw at the movie theater was, or the movie that you're most interested in seeing that's coming out soon. So either your last movie that you went to movie theater for, or the movie you're most interested in. And me personally, I just saw Crimes of Grindelwald, and it was fabulous. Oh my gosh, we loved it so much. And we're just can't wait till the next one. And that we probably have to wait 2 years makes this so sad, but it was wonderful. And I'm also looking forward to seeing Mary Poppins. And in a way, I didn't know if I wanted to see Mary Poppins Returns even more than I wanted to see the Crimes of Grindelwald. I'm very excited. They showed a preview of it, and the casting just looks superb. So anyway, that's mine. And thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.